This video will show you how to make a set of tubular bells which you could hang in your school playground for your pupils to experiment on. Each bell is a different set length and gives you a full scale. You can use any metallic tube. I used an old wardrobe hanging rail. Each tube has to be cut to a specific length. There is a table of lengths on the link with this video. Also, a hang point needs to be drilled, again at a specific point. I used stiff garden wire to hang it to avoid contact with the tube, which would deaden the sound. Finally, all the tubes can be hung from a rope or such like. And then, finally, when they're all up there, you can tap yourself a tune. Here's my version of Lavender's Blue.